If you're an entrepreneur or business owner that's been trying to get their finances under control, don't worry, I got you. With Google's Gemini and Google Sheets, you are able to tell it to become the best of the best within the financial field and help you with your business. So on the left or right side, you're going to see something pop up, and it's just a screen capture of what I put into Google's Gemini on my phone. Now the prompt goes something like this. I want you to become a collective mind of the top financial experts in the world with over 25 years of experience. Your job is to assist me solve financial problems within my business, such as a bookkeeping, a balance sheet, profit loss statement, and the list goes on and on. Do you understand? And it went ahead and it told me everything that it was able to help me with, with the things that it's able to do. Now, the benefit to you business owners and entrepreneurs out there, or even if you're using this for your personal finances, is one, it's completely free. Two, you save money on going to the bookkeeper, tax professionals, and financial advisors because, well, AI is already able to assist you with a lot of the questions you would go to them for. And if they charge you an hourly rate, well, this helps you save and put more money back in your pocket. Now, moving from there, you want to go ahead and put this prompt in directly. After that, you want to go ahead and upload your finances into Google's Workspace, which has Sheets, which is similar to Excel. Now, some of you may not be comfortable with this, but if you're balling on a budget and you're trying to get things rolling, you can go ahead and do this because it'll save you tons of cash. Let's say some financial advisors charging you anywhere between $50 to $100 an hour. Well, that can not only be solved in less time, but for less money. So think about that before you make your decision, so on and so forth. Now, when it comes to the other things in your business, such as your balance sheet, your profit loss statement, taxes, so on and so forth, there's things that you could go ahead and ask AI for, such as tax incentives for your industry, the things that, pertain specifically to your industry. Let's say you're a nonprofit. What pertains to a nonprofit? Let's say you're a construction company. What pertains to a construction company? So think about things like that. Let's say you're a retail business. Well, how can you save money, or where are there tax incentives for your business? Also, because you told it to also become an expert in finance, such as an investor, when you go to invest, you can have it do market research for you on different stocks, so on and so forth. Make sure when you do the market research that the stock actually had growth for the last 3 to 5 years, just to be safe and to establish patterns of growth within 3 to 5 years so that you know your investment is somewhat safe. Now, I'm not a financial expert, even though I hold a finance degree, but it's something that you want to go ahead and take advantage of because let's face it, in the world and the economic times that we're in, especially with inflation, we need to save money. So if you get anything out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to follow me for more tips like this. Now, getting back into it, another thing you could go ahead and do is, let's say you do trade stocks and options, so on and so forth. All your market research can be done through AI in a matter of seconds if you prompt it the correct way. Remember, you want to be specific. And when I say be specific, I mean let it know your industry, your area or location in which you do business or you're investing from, the types of stocks or the types of things that you need help with within your business, such as, I need you to help me balance my books. Here is my revenue and expenses, so on and so forth. Can you go ahead and sort this out for me? Can you show me areas in which I can save money? And can you show me other ideas where I can allocate funds so that I can grow my business even more, whether that's putting funds towards marketing, sales, operations, or even technology? Now, one of the other benefits and caveats to this is that when you're putting your money in these different places, you can tell AI to become an expert in that area. So for instance, operations. How about you become a chief operations officer with over 30 years of experience? Now you have a free operations officer utilizing AI that can assist you in your business to go ahead and now take those funds that were allocated over to operations or tech, so on and so forth, and grow your business that way. So these are the things and the possibilities that we have when it comes to utilizing things like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini AI. Now, the reason why I'm talking about Google's Gemini is because of the workspace feature. The workspace feature pretty much replaces everything that Microsoft Office has, and it's completely free. So you're able to utilize both platforms to go ahead and not only benefit your business, but to benefit yourself as well and to keep things more organized in a centralized environment or yeah, in a centralized environment, right? Because it's all within Google. When you're using ChatGPT, yeah, there's a price point that you might have to pay if you want to do some other things. I think it's like 20 bucks a month, not a big deal, but there's a limitation as far as things that you can integrate and put in there. But ChatGPT is beneficial because you can create your own GPTs for your business or industry and have it answer questions for you on the fly, or better yet, turn into a customer service situation for your clients. So if you are an expert in finance, you could build your own GPT, put that on your website for people to sign up and use it, and now they can ask all their finance questions through your website on your GPT, and that is your leads that are coming in, because they'll sign up with their name, email, so on and so forth, so that they can utilize the tool, and they'll always have access to it. So that's one lead magnet that you can use not only within your business if you're in the finance field, but if you're in any field, right? Build your own chat GPT, put it on your website, get people to give you their information for the utilization of that tool, and have it answer all the questions, such as a frequently asked questions page. And now you're cooking with gas, because you have AI working in your favor, you have leads coming in, and you have an easy way to build an email list. So if you found any value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to follow me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.